Here's another pen. So, this is the Zebra M301 Ultra. I don't remember writing this one very often. The little metal tip that's supposed to be at the end to protect the lead broke off, but it was pretty comfortable, and it worked when the thing was still there. Still have lead in it, but it was alright. Get back on there. Freaking jeez. And it was shorter too, if you like a shorter pencil. This one is the Papermate Wright Bros grip. Showed off a couple of those already. Papermate Wide Mate. Showed off one of those already. Here's a church pen. First Christian Church. Still right? Yep. I love your Bics. This one is pretty awesome. Papermate something. Still works. It's got the grip right there. Little eraser. These are like good for like graphing, so you can put a little dot right there, and you can, you know, erase just a tiny dot, not the whole thing. I guess, I don't know. Here's this is one of my first pencils I had, actually. It was a Pentel Easy number 2. I love these things. They're bigger. You can put like grips on them. Thing about the Bics where they're tiny and skinny, and they're way too skinny for my hand. These are like the perfect size, and I used to have like 3 packs of these at the end of the school year in 3rd grade. I had like 1 or 2 left, which is amazing how those things disappear. People steal your pencils. And one of these again. Another one of these. I think I already showed these before. Clear stick. These work awesomely. One of those. Bic E3 or Easy, something like that. Another Focus that doesn't work with a crap. Might have been the same one. One of these. Oh well. This thing was really crazy. 1.3 millimeter lead. It's a Pentek Rainbow Stick. This one actually worked. It had 4 colors on the tip of that lead. Green, yellow, red, and blue. So when you write, one angle was green, another angle was blue, another angle was red, and then, yeah, it's pretty crazy. So if I write like, and it just bugged the crap out of me because it squeaked. But it was cool. Dang it, now the lead's so brittle from not being used for 4 years. Whatever. That's pretty brittle 0.3 lead. Or 1.3. Here's one of my first pens I've ever had. I had this when I was like 4 or 5 years old. It's a Nickelodeon pen, and I can never get it to click and go back in. And I don't think it works. Oh, wow, it does work. No, it doesn't. It just started to work just for camera. This is a 05 Pentel something. So I was letting it. Twist up eraser. Another crappy RoseArt. It worked okay, but not very good. Stay away from RoseArt for the most part. See, there it is again. Another Booger pencil, might have been the same one. Yeah, it was already the same one, I already showed that before. Just got this the other day. It's a pointer magnet thing, so I can pick up pencils if I want to or something. It was only like $1 or something at Sears. Zyrtec.
For every $25 in Karina's gift cards you purchase, you'll receive $5 in bonus bucks.
Zyrtec pen. Here is a RoseArt Sticks SRX. This one looked cool, but does it work? Not that well. It does that thing where it looks goopy. Not bad though for sitting so long. This one is awesome. A Staedtler. S-T-A-E-D-E-T-L-E-R. Staedtler. Right there. 0.5 twist up eraser. Got no lead though. Not on that one. Here's a Uniball, Stanford Uniball. These pens mostly suck. Seems to work right now, but not that well. This one is pretty cool. Zebra Nodus. No lead in there, but it's gold and it looks pretty fancy anyways. And we got Rosart Great Grips. It's another Bic ripoff. No lead in that one. Another Pentel RSVP. These work and last forever. See, works. Here's another. These are clear sticks, crystal sticks, whatever they're called. They work really well. Alright, like 4 left. This one, kind of weird. It's called a Papermate Clickster Grip. Not much of a grip. It's got like these little pimples on there. Little rubber little dots. It's okay, but I like the other ones better. Here's a cool pen. A Garfield pen. Chips, pizza, in the light more. Garfield chips, Garfield eating ice cream, Garfield eating ice cream, Garfield eating sandwich. Pretty awesome, but the question is, does it work? Doesn't look like it. Oh, it's working right now. Alright. I had a couple squiggle pens, but they kind of disappeared. Here's another Pentec, or a Focus. These sucked. The button would get stuck in there, and I had probably like 4 of these, and then like they all broke right here. They were like the easiest ones to get smashed. Twist up eraser. I like this kind, the click button right here, and twist up eraser. But so many of them, so many of these broke, but the other ones that had these features were really some of my favorites. I had a lot of titanium twist up eraser, the Papermate Erasemate, another one of these guys with the broken button. So many of the times the buttons would fall out. And this thing, it's like a ballpoint pen, but it's a big ballpoint. Pretty cool. I think that's it. Oh, two last pencils. Here's a Clickster Grip. Now this is the Clickster Grip I like. It doesn't look like little pimples. It grips around it. Really awesome. This one was another one of my first mechanical pencils, the Rosart No. 2. These were okay, but not as good as the other ones I mentioned earlier. I had a lot of other ones. I had a bunch of titanium twist up eraser. I had a bunch of I don't know what they were called, but I had a buttload of the ones that you twist the eraser up with. But that's pretty much it. A lot of them are gone. I used to have, I think, at one point 200. Oh, here's another one right here on the floor. Another Zebra pencil. What else? Might be on the floor. I'm gonna look some more, see if I can find some more. Alright, so here's a few others. Here's just a plain wooden pencil. Some watercolors. I think. Oh well, that's beyond the point. Tech-Click 2. These are pretty cool. Tech-Click 2. It's got a clicker, Clickster, and full-size eraser. The cap would be right here with the clip on it. This one's a INC E500. I just found this a couple minutes ago. Does it work? Yeah. Another one. Allstate. Another Bic. Mechanical eraser. I used to have a lot of those. Some of those. Another mechanical Bic. A Bud Light pen that does not work. Uniball Signo does not work, I bet. Oh wow, it actually works. It's like the only Uniball I've ever seen work. Here is a Clip Click. Here is a old Fireworks gel, metallic gel roller. Doesn't want to work that well. Here is a Sphere 0.9mm. Don't have any in there. Here is a Papermate grip. These are pretty cool. Kind of like a Bic, only different. Round stick grip. Here is some Clickster, purple. That's pretty smooth. Here's a tiny pen. Does it work? Yep. That's pretty cool. Here's this weird pen. It's kind of stylish, but no lead. Don't know who made it. Here is a Flector patch. Does it work? Yep. And here's a bunch of twistable mechanical colored pencils. I also have a bunch of mechanical colored crayons somewhere. Mechanical colored pencils. These are pretty cool. Alright, so that was it. Comment, rate, subscribe, and did anybody really watch this? Seriously. If you did, thank you very much, because I love pencils, and I like it when other people like what I like. Oh, here's a rare quarter I thought I'd throw in. It's a $1 quarter, or dollar, it's a $1. See how big it is? Here's the average pen. That's pretty good size. And here's a dime, or a penny, so that's how much bigger it is. $1777 to 1976. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm pretty sure it's all my, well, not all of them, but most of them. All my cool ones. I've looked all over for more, but yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So, see you later. Goodbye.